we're making one of my favorite drinks, and it's also a dessert. It only has 3 simple ingredients. Can you guess what it is? It's hot chocolate. So to make hot chocolate, we're going to be using cocoa powder, sugar, and hot water. So let's get started. So first, we're going to be using our cocoa powder, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to 2 tablespoons of sugar. So in case you want to make a bigger batch for your friends, or you want to make a couple of them at the same time, you can just use a 2-to-1 ratio. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. There we go. And then our 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 and 2. There we go. And next, we're going to add just a little bit of hot water to make it into a kind of paste. So that it all kind of mixes together. So we're going to mix it up. And you kind of want it to be like the consistency of toothpaste. At this point, you can also add a little bit of salt, which will make it a little bit sweeter. And then we're going to add a cup of water. So take a cup. Then we'll add it in. And all you have to do is mix it up. And ta-da! You have hot chocolate. It's delicious. But you know what my favorite part of hot chocolate is? The toppings. There are so many options when it comes to what you can put on top of your hot chocolate. It's really endless. You can use mini marshmallows, which is my personal favorite. I love mini marshmallows. You can use peppermints or sprinkles. You can mix it up with a candy cane now that it's after the holidays, and that way you'll have like a peppermint flavored hot chocolate. You could put in chocolate shavings with cream. You can put in caramel sauce with a little sea salt, and then you can have sea salt caramel. Really, the options are endless. So I hope you had fun today making hot chocolate with me, and I hope that we'll see you soon. Have a great day, and thanks for